Ace Ventura's Nature Calls. Now, today, we're going to discuss the difference between an alligator and a crocodile. You see, a crocodile has both teeth on the outside of the lower and the upper jaw. The alligators, on the other hand, only have teeth on the outside of their upper jaw of the mouth. And they both have different shapes of noses. And, of course, the scales on their body. The crocodile has brighter green, and the alligator a little darker green. Hope this helps you wonderful children about the differences between alligators and crocodiles. So, see you next time on Ace Ventura's Nature Calls.